Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fifth lesson of PTP class 9, exercise 9.1. In this class we will solve question number 2.
A has a value under root 2 and B has a value 1. Okay, I hope you know that A is actually the value of P, and where that P is on x-axis, and if P is on x-axis, then P will have the coordinates under root 2 with 0, and Q is on y-axis. So the coordinates of Q will be, what will be the coordinates? 0 with 1. Any point which is on y-axis has its x value 0. And now what we have to do, we have to find the distance. Symbol for the distance is d and PQ, and we must have to use the symbols and notations, and then we have to take the square root of the sum of the square differences x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and I have to put the square root. And then if you find difficulty that what is x1, what is y1, you can write with pencil, students, x1 y1 and x2 y2, and this will become 0 minus under root 2 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square, and then I have to put the square root at the top. Okay, 0, when we take away any number from 0, our answer will be that number, and I will have square root 2 whole square plus 1 square, and let me put the square root symbol here. Square of the number, whether that is negative or positive, that will become positive, so it will become under root 2 square plus 1 square is 1, so let us leave this. Okay, and this will become 2 raised to power of this symbol has a value 1 by 2, a square root plus 1, and there is one more square root. Be careful, students. Okay, don't miss this class because this involves one of the technical questions. Okay, this goes with this, and I will have 2 plus 1, which is equal to under root 3. Okay, moving to the last part, and in the last part A has a value minus 9 and B has a value minus 4. Okay, recall, A is the value of P, and P is on which axis? X-axis. So P will take the form P minus 9 and 0, because P is, or the point is on x-axis, point on x-axis. Okay, and Q, B has a value of Q, and Q will have the coordinates 0 and minus 4, and what is the reason? Okay, must support your working with small statements, point on y-axis. Now it's the time to recall and think about the formula and the symbols. Distance PQ equals to the square root of what? Sum of the square differences of x values minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root. Now x2, this is my second point, so 0 minus 9 square plus minus 4 minus 0 square. This will become positive 9. Okay, then I will have 9 square 9 square plus minus 4 square, and 9 square is 81, and square of the number whether that is negative or positive will become positive. So 6 plus 1 7, 7, and 8 plus 1 is 9, 97 square units. So the distance between these 2 points is 97 units. I hope students you are clear that how to find the distance between 2 points and how to find the distance between the points which are either on x-axis and y-axis. In today's class we have learned 2 important things. One is the application of distance formula, and the second one is that how to find the distance between 2 points when the points are either on x-axis or on y-axis. Before the next class you should have the good practice of these all questions properly for the preparation of your 2 marks questions, one of the important questions of your PTB syllabus, and the O-level students can also take help from these lessons. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.